Maybe you're on a scenic desert drive, or just weaving your way through the mountains on those snow-covered roads, or you're hitting those muddy, off-the-grid paths. No matter what it is, the 2027 Magnitude Z30 with the Explorer package can get you there. So what type of goodies make up the Explorer package? Check it out. First, you're going to get a 2-inch lift. You have Fox reservoir shocks up front. In fact, you're going to have Fox shocks all the way around. You're going to have Fox steering stabilizer, dual steering stabilizer setup on there. Plus, you have these killer BDS radius arms. This is going to get you anywhere. Plus, it's 4x4. And when you get to your destination, you're going to love living inside the Z30. So let's walk all 32 feet, 9 inches of our Z30. We're going to have sleeping for 3 in here, seatbelts for 4. Sleeping in the over cab bunk, 800-pound capacity. Right down below, all the bells and whistles of your Ford F550 XLT package. 6.7 liter power stroke, 330 horse, 950 pound-feet of torque, all the bells and whistles. Inside, everything you need. Heated, massaging, theater seats. They are on an inverted circuit, so you can kick back and relax on the drive. These Lagoon tables get out of the way, get in and out, maybe watch a smart TV, Winegard Connect 2.0, 5G on board. Oh, what are we making today? We're making egg in a hole with a hat. Beautiful kitchen in here, flip up countertop extension, pop up outlet. Love the black accents in here. This is our Mirage collection. This is beautiful. Large sink, 3-burner gas cooktop, oven, microwave, residential refrigerator in here. We have a pantry right here. You can even put in a stackable washer and dryer. Large bathroom in here, shower with the glass door. You have a skylight, tankless hot water, everything you need. And then the coup de grace, our twin to wall bed. We're talking a full 96 inches across. This is in twin mode. Let's hit the pause button and make this into wall to wall. You flip this, you pop this, you move this. There's even a ladder if you would like. And look at this, we are now wall to wall bed. You have a smart TV back here, 2 ACs on board, a 15,000 BTU up front with a heat pump, a 13.5 in the bedroom, tons of storage, privacy shades, anything you can want in the go anywhere, do anything 4x4 vehicle of your dreams. This is the Magnitude Z30 with the Explorer pack. You click for the coach. Now click on thormotorcoach.com to find the Magnitude floor plan made to fit you.